Hello everybody, and welcome to Chat from the Engineering Desk. I have noticed that everybody is enjoying the short I made about this soldering iron which feeds the wire through to the tip over here when you pull the trigger. So the next best thing is to take it apart, see how it works. Let's get stuck into it. First of all, here's a little door and the mechanism. So if I depress that, it releases that mechanism, and I can retract the solder and make the solder go away. Undo this over here. Set that aside. So there's that. This has a little reducing bush. It fits into there. Right. One, two, three, 4, 5 screws. Let's get stuck into it. I went and bought a new webcam this morning. So I was previously recording my videos on a toaster, and the quality was appalling. It bothered me, and I know it bothered you guys. So the problem has been addressed. We now have some decent video. We don't have flickering anymore. It's nice and in focus. It's not grainy. All the good stuff. Because if you want people to watch your videos, it needs to be good quality. Very important. So let's see, which way is this gonna fly apart? There goes a spring. Which I have to worry about later apparently. Let me find the plier. See if it goes this back to where it belongs. No, that worked. So there's the ratchet mechanism. And there's that. And here's a little board. It has got the turny dial attached to it, and a little TO92 device there in it. which I would say is just a little trike. So it's just phase controlling, it's not closed loop control. And the heating element lifts out like that. So see what happens to the wire once again when you feed it through. So it comes in like that. Ah, so that's what this was for. That is the wire guide. So that sees to it that the wire comes out. So the end is folded over. Sorry about that noise. And I just bumped the microphone. I do apologize. So it goes like that. And there the wire's gone through. Let's keep my fingers out of the shot. And there we go. The wire materialized at the other end. The hot end. So pushing on this and pushes that way, and the solder can come out again. So that's that. It's perfectly sensibly constructed, more or less what we expected to find inside, but we had to have a look. You guys wanted to know, so now we do know. And this is it. Got a phase controller, there's your feed mechanism and your heater, and we played with it before. It works perfectly well. So before this starts to get boring, I'm going to wrap this up. I'm going to thank you for being here and watching this. Hope you enjoyed it. I know you wanted to see what's inside. I wish you a wonderful day further, an awesome weekend, and I'll be seeing you for more. Take care everybody, and goodbye.